Hello friends, today I am going to discussing about the topic how GNN works, maths behind the GNNs, example 1 with Python programming. So in previous example I was explained in detail with mathematically, the same example I am also explaining with Python programming. So this is the program. So now you can see in this program, initially they are the nodes A, B, C, D and the neighbors. So according to the graph structure, so this is the graph. So the neighbors of A, B, C, neighbors of B, A, D, neighbors of C, A, D, neighbors of D, B, C. So these are the neighbors. Now initial node features. The initial node features you can see here, A40, B30, C50 and D70. So here this layer 0. So initial node features are nothing but the node 0, layer 0. Now so step 1 is about the initialization. So this is the initialization. So in this initialization, so now you can see so this is the initial nodes. For initial nodes you can see here h of 0. So h of 0 means here for I means HA node A of 0 means 40, HB of 0 is equal to 30, HC of 0 is equal to 50, HD of 0 is equal to 70. So these are the all initialization nodes. That is the step 1. Step 2, we are applying the aggregation. Aggregation means mean of neighbor messages. So what does it mean here? So in this example, for node I at layer L, the aggregated neighbor messages means this is the formula, which means MIL 1 by mod n of I summation j belongs to n of I hj of I. In previous mathematics, in place of L, I considered the k value. That's it. Nothing was different. So in this is the formula for aggregation. So now you can see here n of I is the set of neighbors of node I. N of I means the set of neighbors of the node I. For n of A, who are the neighbors B and C? For B, AD, C, AD, for D, BC. So they are the neighbor nodes. So now according to this formula, we are going to neighbor means at layer 0. So the formula is, this is the formula. In this formula, if I suppose in place of y, I consider the node A, then M A of 0. Why? Because layer 0. So here for A, how many neighbors? BC. So according to this formula, HB of 0 plus HC of 0 by 2. So 2 means the number of nodes. So that is the value here. So MA of 0, HB of 0 plus HC of 0 by 2, which means HB of value, initial value are 30, 50 by 2, that is the 40. So similarly, this is the neighbor of MB of 0. So for B, for A and D are neighbors. So we are calculating the aggregation. So this is the way we are going to calculate the neighbor means at layer 0. once it is after applying the aggregation, now we are going to update. So update rule, what is the update rule? So mix self plus neighbors, then reload. So here you can see here the formula here, hi of L plus 1 equal to alpha hi of L plus 1 minus alpha m I of L. So in this equation we combine the node's own features with the aggregated neighbor features. So this is the own features and this is the aggregated features. So alpha value I suppose to consider the 0.5, this is alpha value, this is the heavy parameter, so 0.5. so here HA of 0, why? Because layer 0 plus 1 minus alpha means 0.5 m A of 0. So that is nothing but the our HA of L means 0, 0 plus 1, that is nothing but the HA of 1 is equal to 0.5. So HA of 0, HA of 0 means what? Initial value. Now you can see here HA of 0. So this is the HA of 0, initial value is 40. So here in place of HA of 0, multiplication with 40 plus 0.5 and MA of 0, so MA of 0 means 40. This 40 is nothing but the this 40 here, this 40 means here this one aggregated neighbor feature, that is the 40, and this is the own feature 40. So in this way we have calculated the HA of 1. So this is the way we are going to update. So similarly HB of 1, HB of 1 is 0.5 multiplication with initial value for HB 30 plus 0.5, now this value 55. So we got the HB1 value. Similarly HC of 1, HD of 1. So this is the way we are going to update rule here. Once it is updated, then we will go for the message passing loop. Message passing loop you can see here, alpha I am considering 0.5. Here we are going to apply the layer wise. So how many layers you are going to calculate. So this is the thing we are going to consider here. So here in update rule, now we completed. Now here for layer in range L, for I nodes, you can see for I nodes, here we are going to collect. So here we are going to collect the Hj of L, which means J belongs to N of I, and we are going to compute the Mj of L. So we are going to apply the update rule to get the HL plus 1. So which means this is the H new. So we are going to move to the next layer. Whenever you can set the H of L plus 1. H of L plus 1 we can consider as the current feature values. Now I will execute the program. You can understand much better. Now you can see here in this program, if I want to only one layer information, so at computing layer 1, So what is my self values here? 40. Initially set value is 40. So this is my initial layers, HA of 0, this is HB of 0, this is HC of 0, and this is HD of 0. This is initial values, nothing but the self values. And what is the neighbors of A, B and C? What is the mean value here? 40. Now it is the H1 of A. So H1 of A value is 40, H1 of B is 42.5, H1 of C is 52.5, H1 of D is 55. So final node after one layer. So after apply the one layer, one round, the updated values are 40, 40.5, 50.5, 50. So initially actually A, B, C and D. So initial values are, this is the 40, B value is 30, C is 50, D is 70. At after one layer, layer 1, the values are updated. So updated means the A value is 40, this value, and the B value is nothing but the 42.5, and the C value is 52.5, and the D value is 55 after layer 1. Suppose for this thing I want to know the layer 2 information. What is my A value? What is my A value? What is my B? What is my C? What is my D value? So the values, if you want to calculate, simply in place of L, we can give the 2 here, then execute, then you can see here. So computing layer 2, my updated value 43 point, this value is 43.75, this value is 45, this value is 50, this one 50, 51.25. So final node features at layer 2, these values. This is layer 2. Now I want to calculate the layer 3. So what is my A, what is my B, what is my C? Now let's see. I want to find the new updated values. So simply in place of L is equal to 2, replace with 3. You can run the program. Then you can see here. You can see here. So here this value is 45.65. This value is 45.65. 46 point, this one 46.25, this one 48.75, 49.37. So this is the values you are going to calculate through Python programming. This is the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 node features. So that's it about the today class. So in next class I will explain you complexity, another problem 2. I hope you understand this program, maths behind the Python programming in GNN model. Thank you.